I'm Eric, and I'm in for an oil change today. I usually do my service at the Grand Canyon location with Dean, but today out of convenience I stopped at the Fish Hatchery location. I worked with Jill Warren on 2 vehicles. The first time I was here I got an Accord, and my second vehicle was a CRV. The first time I came in for a CRV and I left with an Accord. The second time I came in for an Accord and I left with the CRV. The CRV met my needs, the size, the flexibility of the storage, it just met my needs on so many different levels. I'd recommend anybody from Zimbrick, but I would steer everybody to Joe.